Here's a new project I am tackling. This is a drop leaf table, which, as you can see, we've removed the leaves. There was some damage to it. So we're gonna have to do some carpentry work, just a little bit. It's gonna go in my entryway since I now removed the entryway table, the bookshelf that was there, turned it into a pantry as I posted the video already. This part you can see we've had to do some reconstruction because it had completely cracked off. So there's a little bit of water damage, but it's this sturdy little wood thing with a really extensive drawer. If I can get it to come back out. This thing is huge. So this is the next project we're working on. And here are the leaves that are going to be on the top of it. We've started spraying them. The top of it's going to be semi-gloss black. The bottom part of it is going to be matte black. We'll see how it turns out. I'm not planning on antiquing this at all. I'm just spraying it and leaving it because I think that's going to look better in my entryway like that. So we've already sanded it down. The next step is painting and then putting it all back together. New hinges, new hardware and everything. Here's the progress on this table. As you can see, it's got a good solid coat of matte black now. It's no longer the nice little beige it was. And we've got the drawer painted and drying over here. And the top part is drying over here with the semi-gloss. So we're just waiting on everything to dry so we can do the final shots of the paint. We were considering doing a sealer for the top part, but I don't think we're gonna need it because of the kind of paint we got. And then we're gonna have to do another run over before we flip it. And then we'll flip it over, finish the inside parts of it, and this project will be done, which is surprisingly easy. I do think that we probably could have gotten this done faster and the coverage might have been a bit better because of how rough the wood was with a brush paint, but the spray paint was kind of fun and it only took us maybe 20 minutes to get the whole thing covered upside down. We'll still have to flip it and do the other half of it, but yeah, probably would have been faster with a brush paint. So now I know with rougher wood, we were probably going to do that in the future. And here it is, all done. So excited. We did the drawer in semi-gloss to match the top. And this drawer is so long. Changed out the knob as you remember. And then it is a drop leaf, a double drop leaf table. You can see the inside here. I have a cat who's gonna photobomb. But yeah, it turned out really well. I like it. I think probably for the top in the future, I would use something that's a little thicker than spray paint because this one you can see it didn't cover some of the damage that was done to this. So I am living and learning, doing my projects. I will probably use brush paint a little bit more with top surfaces. I like the spray paint for some of the way that it comes out on the sides. As you can see, this is all matte and I like the way it turned out, but I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go towards more brush paint when it comes to surfaces that I'm fixing because they've been severely damaged. But I love the way it turned out. I'm excited that it's in my entryway and that it fits like perfectly, as you can see here.